This quick video is about how to remove your bank account on PayPal, and this process will be same for both iPhone and Android phone. Okay, first open your PayPal app, then tap Login, continue, then enter your PayPal mail ID, then password, then tap Login. Yeah, now we successfully enter into your PayPal app. Now just tap this payment method option. Then under bank accounts and cards, you can see your added bank accounts and credit or debit cards. For now, I want to remove this second bank account, so I just tap that. Then at the bottom you can see this option remove. Click that. Yeah, now you can see this option remove. Just confirm that. Yeah, that's it. Now that bank account was completely removed from my PayPal account. Here you can see that. And suppose if you can't do this process on your PayPal app, means open any browser and type PayPal, then log into your PayPal account, and there you can easily remove your bank account. Yeah, this is how you can remove your bank account from PayPal. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.